Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How about trying out something from Karnataka cuisine today? Let's make Southekayi Hasi Gojju. This is cucumber raw curry. Apart from the tempering added to it, there's no cooking involved in this. It's nice, cool and comforting. You will love it in summer especially. And they serve this with puris, rotis or Mangalore buns. It pairs very well with Mangalore buns. I'll soon post the recipe of those buns also. So today let's try out this cucumber goju. Take the ingredients for grinding from list 1. Small bunch of coriander leaves. You can also use the tender stems. Curry leaves few. 1/8 teaspoon each of mustard and cumin seeds. Salt to taste. 1 green chilli, 1/2 inch piece ginger. You can add more green chilies if you like. 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Little tamarind, about gooseberry size. Roasted gram, 1 tablespoon. Is also called futani, which we use in the chutney. Grated coconut, 1/4 cup. Add sufficient water for grinding, maybe about 1 cup. Grind them. The texture should be little coarse. Now remove them into a mixing bowl. Pour some water into the grinder jar and remove all the masala that is stuck to it. Add it to the bowl. Perfect consistency. Check the salt. You can add it now if needed. Now dip in the cucumber pieces. About 1 cup goes into this much quantity. Cover them all with the ground paste. This is done. Now we are going to add the tempering to this. In a small pan, heat about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2-3 pinches of Asafoetida or hing, and few curry leaves. Reduce the flame and let them crackle. Add the tempering to the prepared goju. Karnataka style delicious cucumber raw curry is ready. You can enjoy it with puris or Mangalore buns. Thank you for watching, dear friends. Here are some videos from the archives. You might like to watch them too. Take care. Have a nice day.